Welcome to an introduction to the 12-box model, the framework for fast, agile, and repeatedly business transformation. We are looking into a new decade of extreme change. Crises occur more frequently, and with unforeseen and severe impact.
We destroy our fragile planet's ecosystem for the future generations. We need new and sustainable production systems. Pandemics with new social distancing rules are changing the customer's behavior. We must develop new customer-oriented services and communication patterns. Societies and markets change radically in just a few weeks. Businesses must develop new responsive management systems with robust value chains and business models. This can be facilitated by new technologies like 3D printing, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and big data. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are a great vision. The goals express a hope for a better future for mankind.
In this new world of rapid change, it is crucial for any business to be able to transform fast, agile, and repeatedly. It is a general assumption that up to 70% of all major transformations fails. The rate has not improved for decades, despite significant project management training. And the failure rate for digitization projects appears to be even higher. But a huge amount of knowledge is available.
A search for books on Amazon.com shows there is written hundreds of thousands of books on transformation subjects. All of these books are probably good and relevant. But each of the books work inside their own paradigm. It is like a big jigsaw puzzle, where none of the pieces fits together. There is a need for a common denominator to connect the paradigms. This is the purpose of the 12-box model.
The 12-box model defines the business as a platform.
The 12-box model enables you to conduct the business analysis from strategy to execution. And in this way, you will get a solid and consistent input to your projects. As you can see, the 12-box model is quite simple. You will only have to learn 12 themes and 3 KPIs.
The 12-box model is a powerful analytical framework that lets you work at all levels: strategic, tactical, and operational level. At strategic level, we work with the business landscape. At tactical level, we work with the organizational storytelling. And, at operational level, we work with the execution via change initiatives and statement of work. All layers are seamlessly integrated. And the layers can be managed by a precise data model.
Let us have a look at the business landscape. The business landscape takes starting point in the organization's vision. If you are going to work with digital strategies, you can use the 12-box model's 4 drivers for digitization as input to the vision. Mission. Having the vision in place, you can start working with the business's mission. Business algorithm. This will be how the business should work to beat competition. Technology. How is technology going to be used in the business algorithm to fulfill vision and mission? Human adoption. How willing and fast are humans to adopt new technologies and to change behavior?
And, if there is a change in one of the elements in the business landscape, there will probably be changes in the other elements too. Both the business landscape and the business platform are contextual models.
Let us take a look at how the business platform connects with the business landscape. As you can see, there is a precise match. And, for example, a mission in the 12-box model is defined by the value the business provides to its customer, its business model, and the role it takes in the supply chain.
In this way, the 12-box model provides a precise, consistent, and coherent language for business transformation.
Let us have a look at the tactical level. The storytelling is the description on how business should work in the future. Here, there are 2 types of approaches. process approaches, related to the business's algorithm, and management approaches, related to the business's mission. You can work outside, in, starting with the customer journey and customer values. This is similar to design thinking. You can work inside, out, starting with the IT, optimizing internal services. We call this lean thinking. You can work top-down, starting with the value chain, business model and governance process. We call this strategic thinking. You can work bottom-up, starting with the data in the data warehouse. We call this KPI thinking, or more popular, management by Excel.
The 12-box model enables you to combine the approaches, to achieve cross-organizational understanding, and buy-in among the participants in the transformation. This is the input you need to facilitate the change management effort.
Finally, let us have a look at the operational level. In the fast-changing world, you will need to steer the evolution of the business. You must constantly launch new change initiatives. The master plan will contain the initiatives in your transformation projects, and each planning cycle will lead to new configuration of the business platform's themes. You can describe the initiatives by the change sheets. Each row in the change sheet is an initiative. Finally, we can group the initiatives into well-defined statements of work. The statements of work can then be handed over for execution by internal projects, or subcontractors.
You are now well prepared for starting the transformation. You have a coherent set of details for the why, what, and how of the transformation. In our opinion, the huge failure rate on 70% in transformations is due to the lack of integration between methodologies. As far as we know, the 12-box model is the only framework that bridges this gap. Where most methods are very process-oriented, the 12-box model has focus on describing the content of transformations, and understanding the business dynamics. This makes the 12-box model the natural complement to most strategy and project management methods.
We have a whole suite of one-day courses available. Transformation for management, transformation for project management, business analysis for project participants.
Instructors and instructor training can be ordered at PROCE Institute. Courseware is globally available at Leapist by Edcast's internet portal.
More information at 12boxmodel.org and info@12boxmodel.org.